Two-factor authentication, not working on Sold Edge Connect fix. When two-factor authentication stops working on Sold Edge Connect, it can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to link your bank account securely. But here's the surprising truth. In most cases, the issue isn't with Sold Edge itself. It's usually something small that you can fix in minutes. First, make sure your phone's clock is perfectly in sync. Go to your device settings, enable Set Time Automatically, and check your time zone. Time-based authentication codes rely on precise synchronization. Even a few seconds drift can cause the login attempt to fail. If you're using an authenticator app, open it and see if there is an option to resync time for codes. This tiny adjustment can instantly fix invalid code errors. If you use SIM's verification but aren't receiving the code, check your mobile signal and disable any active bean or spam blocking apps. Some networks delay or filter automated financial messages. You can also toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your connection. Next, make sure both your Sold Edge Connect interface and your banking app are up to date. Outdated software can't always handle newer encryption or verification methods, leading to failed full attempts. If you've changed phones or recently restored your device, your old FA tokens won't transfer. In that case, you need to reauthorize your bank link through Sold Edge's secure portal. Just tap Can't Access Two-Factor and follow the prompts. Finally, clear your browser or app cache and restart your phone. Temporary data corruption can block verification attempts, and a simple restart can often clear it out. Once your phone is back in sync, Sold Edge Connect will work flawlessly again. These small fixes not only restore access but also keep your open banking experience secure and reliable.